आज हम पढ़ने वाले हैं यूनिट 7 फर्स्ट सेमेस्टर केमिस्ट्री बीएससी। आज का हमारा टॉपिक है बेसिक कंप्यूटर सिस्टम, मल्टीपल चॉइस क्वेश्चंस। इसमें एक्सप्लेनेशन दे रखा है बट मैं आपके लिए थोड़ा समय दे दूंगी, आप लोग खुद पढ़ेंगे, मैं सिर्फ आपको क्वेश्चन एंड आंसर बताऊंगी। थैंक यू। What is the primary function of the central processing unit CPU in a computer? To store data, to process instructions, to display output, to input data. And the answer is option number B, that is to process instructions. Input devices. Which of the following is considered as an input device? Monitor, printer, keyboard, speaker. And the answer is option number C, that is keyboard. Storage devices. Which of the following is a primary storage device? Hard disk, USB flash drive, RAM and CD-ROM. इसका आंसर क्या हो जाएगा? ऑप्शन नंबर सी, दैट इज रैम। रैम की फुल फॉर्म क्या होती है? रैंडम एक्सेस मेमोरी। आउटपुट डिवाइसेस. विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज एन आउटपुट डिवाइस? स्कैनर, माउस, माइक्रोफोन, मॉनिटर. एंड द आंसर इज मॉनिटर. Central processing unit, control unit and arithmetic logic unit. What is the role of the control unit CU in the CPU? Perform arithmetic operation, store data, manage and coordinate the activities of the CPU, display output. And the answer is option number C, that is manage and coordinate the activities of the CPU. नंबर सिस्टम, बाइनरी, ऑक्टल एंड हेक्साडेसिमल, ये आपको खुद करने पड़ेंगे, ठीक है। हाउ इज द बाइनरी नंबर 1011 रिप्रेजेंटेटेड इन डेसिमल? 11, 7, 13, 15. एंड द आंसर इज ऑप्शन नंबर ए, 11. कंप्यूटर कोड्स BCD एंड ASC सेकेंड या फिर आई, वैसे ये I है ये, ठीक है। What does ASCII stand for? American Standard Code for Information Interchange, American Standard Code for Instruction Interchange, Automated System for Computer Information Interchange, none of the above. And the answer is option number A, that is American Standard Code for Information Interchange. Explanation ये रहा. Numeric string constants and variables. Which of the following correctly defines a string constant? A sequence of characters enclosed in double quotes, a single character enclosed in single quotes, a number without quotes, none of the above. And the answer is option number A, a sequence of characters enclosed in double quotes, like hello world. Operating systems, DOS, Windows and Linux. Which of the following is an open source operating system? DOS, Windows, Linux, MacOS, ठीक है। Option number C, that is Linux. Linux is an open source operating system, meaning its source code is freely available for anyone to use, modify and distribute. Introduction of software languages, low level and high level languages. Which of the following is a high level programming language? Machine language, assembly language, Fortran, binary code. And the answer is Fortran. Fortran is a high level programming language used for numerical and scientific computation. Software products. Which software product is primarily used for office tasks like word processing and spreadsheets? ChemSketch, Scalab, Microsoft Office, HyperCam. And the answer is option number C, Microsoft Office. Alright. Microsoft Office is a suite of productivity applications used for word processing, spreadsheets, presentations, and more. Internet application. Which of the following protocols is used for web browsing? FTP, HTTP, SMTP, POP3. And the answer is option number B, HTTP. That is Hypertext Transfer Protocol is used for web browsing, allowing browsers to retrieve web pages from servers. What is the function of a web browser? To edit documents, to store data, to access and display web pages, to manage system files. And the answer is option number C, to access and display web pages. A web browser is used to access, retrieve and display content from the World Wide Web. Alright, these MCQs cover the basic concepts related to hardware and software input and output devices. ये पूरा सिलेबस है आपका, ठीक है. ये मैंने हेडिंग्स इनके बारे में मैंने आपको MCQs दिए हैं. And that's it for today's video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, share and comment. Thank you. Please subscribe.